Hey guys, Amit Naik from McGrath Estate Agents. Welcome to 31 at 36 Railway Street in Wentworthville. Now this is the address of a house in the sky. Let's take a look. What I really love about this penthouse is the size, which is 224 square meters on title, the quality finishing, fixtures, the high ceiling and the location within walking distance to the station, local shops and Westmead Hospital. I'm Amit Naik from the McGrath Estate Agents and I look forward to seeing you at the next open house.